All of you, good evening. Namaste. Welcome to our
Good morning.
yoga instructors course theory class conducted by Swami Vivekananda Yoga, Mancherial, Telangana, which is affiliated to Vyasa, a part of SVYASA Yoga University, Bangalore. So this is a very important class for you. Before our session, start with prayer, sit erect, close your eyes.
करते रहो संग संग चलो बढ़ते रहो योग सभी करते रहो योगा ही जीवन का एक आधार है
The 8-step method of asana teaching is very important for your examination and also future exams. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. As for our syllabus, we have the 4 asanas, the 8-step method of asana teaching. Now, first asana. So, in the 8-step method, the first step, we have the 7 points. In first step, first point, name of the asana is the Pada Hastasan. Meaning of the asana is the Pada means foot, Hasta means hand, asana means posture. Hind to feet posture. Justification of the asana is forward bending posture. Category of the posture is the cultural. Type of the asana is the standing. Complementary of Padahastasana is the Ardha Chakrasana. Counts are 8. First step over. Now second step, we have 3 points. First point is the silent demonstration. Second point is the count with demonstration. And third point is the count with breath with explanation with demonstration. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. In the second step, the first step, just you perform silent demonstration, madam.
In
Padahastasana.
part,
Okay. Now second point, come to sthiti.
okay, sir.
Legs together, hands by the side of the body. 1, ekam. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. Relaxation Shitila Tadasana. In second step, third point, demonstration with counts, with breathing, with explanation. Okay. Now come to sthiti. Tadasana. Legs together, hands by the side of the body. 1. Partial inhale, raise your both hands at shoulder level. 2. Full inhale, raise your both hands above the head. 3. Partial exhale, bend forward. Your trunk hands should be parallel to the ground. 4. Complete exhale. Take your both palms side of the feet. Try to touch forehead to the knees as much as you comfort. Depends on your capacity. Maintain Stiram Sukham Asanam. No movement. 5. Pancha. Partial inhale. Release your hands. Your trunk hands should be parallel to the ground. Shata. Sap. 6. Inhale. Come to standing position. 7. Sapta. Partial exhale. Down your both hands at shoulder level. 8. Complete exhale. Down your both hands. Slowly down your both hands. Now relax in Sitila Tadasana. Just legs apart. Hands by the side of the body. Complete collapse. Second step over. Third step, benefits and contraindications. Shailaja madam, can you tell me the benefits?
హార్మోన్ బెండింగ్ చేయడం వల్ల హెడ్ రీజన్ కి బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో అనేది బాగా జరుగుతుంది. హ్యాపీ హార్మోన్స్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ ది సేమ్ వే స్ట్రెస్ హార్మోన్ అనేది రెడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది సార్. బ్యాక్ బోన్ కి స్ట్రెంత్, బ్యాక్ బోన్ బాగా స్ట్రెంగ్ అవుతుంది. బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో అనేది బాగా జరుగుతుంది. అబ్డామన్ ఆర్గాన్స్ అన్ని స్టిమ్యులేట్ అవుతాయి. లంగ్స్ కెపాసిటీ పెరుగుతుంది. బ్రీతింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ రెడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Contraindications?
Those who are suffering from hypertension, spondylitis వాళ్ళు చేయకూడదు. సర్వైకల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు చేయకూడదు సార్.
Okay. Good. So third step, benefits and contraindications over. Now, fourth step, individual practice. Demonstrator will do the demonstration. Teacher will give the instructions. Okay? And if there is any mistakes from the students, and the teacher will come nearby the student and correct the posture. Fourth step. Okay? Individual practice. Okay? Right. Legs together.
Okay.
Hands by the side of the body. You are in Tadasana. Now, Ekam. Raise your both hands at shoulder level. Partial inhale. Dve. 2. Full inhale. Raise your both hands above the head. 3. Partial exhale. Bend forward. Your trunk, stretching hands should parallel to the ground. Chatwari. 4. Complete exhale. Take your both palms side of the feet. Without bending your knees, try to touch forehead to the knees. No movement in your body. No movement in your body. Stiram Sukham Asanam. Maintain steady. So many regions are massaging. You should focus any one region. For example, if you are suffering with abdominal disorders, you should focus on the abdominal organs. If you are suffering with neck disorders, thyroid problem, just you should focus at your neck. If you are suffering with menstrual disorders, you should focus on the genetical organs like that. When you are getting miserable pain, suffering pain, then come back to the sthiti. Pancha, partial inhale, release the hands. Your trunk should be parallel to the ground. Shata, 6, full inhale, come to vertical position. Sapta, partial exhale, down your both hands at shoulder level. Ashta, 8, complete exhale, slowly down the both hands. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Observe the heavy blood rushing from your head to neck region, thoracic muscles, reversed blood flow from your heart. Now, 5th step, pair practice, whole group divided into 2 groups. A group will be perform, B group will be observe. If there is any corrections from the A group, and B group will be correct the A group. In the same way, vice versa, B group will be perform, A group will be correct them. Okay. A group will be performing, B group will be observing and correcting the if there is any mistakes from the A group. At that time, yoga instructor and the demonstrator both will come nearby the students. If there is any mistakes from the students, teacher and demonstrator correct the mistakes. Okay. Right. Now, 6th step, key points. Key points. The teacher will give the instruction, demonstrator will the demonstration. Okay. Right. Now come to Sthiti. Geeta madam is the demonstrator. Come to Sthiti, legs together, hands by the side of the body. 1, partial inhale. Raise your both hands at shoulder level. Please raise your both hands with a smooth, systematic and simple way with a smiling face. This is the primary key point for all asanas. 2, raise your both hands above the head. Full inhale. 3, 3, partial exhale, bend forward. Bend forward. With backbone stretching. Chatwari, complete exhale, take your both palms side of the feet. 3, madam, 3. Partial exhale, bend forward. Okay, look forward. Chatwari, 4. Take your both palms side of the feet. No movement in your body. Siddham Sukham Asanam. There are so many regions are massaging. You should focus any one region. For example, if you are suffering with abdominal disorders, you should focus on the abdominal organs. If you are suffering with menstrual disorders, you should focus on the genetical organs. If you are suffering with lungs disorders, you should focus on the lungs. If you are suffering with back pain problems, you should focus on the back. You choose any one region, focus. No movement. 5, partial inhale. Release your both hands. Your trunk is parallel to the ground. 6, full inhale. Come to standing position. Come with slowly, with rhythmic, with systematic movement. 7, partial exhale. Slowly down the both hands. 8, complete down the both hands. Full exhale. Just relax in Shitila, Tadasana. The key points when you are in the final posture, do not move your body, do not shake your body, maintain Stiram Sukham Asanam, and take your both palms side of the feet. Try to touch forehead to the knees without bending the knees. Okay, when you are performing final posture, you should stretch from the root of the backbone. You should maintain as much as you comfort. When you are getting miserable pain, suffering pain, then come back to the sthiti. So these are the key points. Now, seventh step, whole group practice. Right? The demonstrator will do the demonstration. Teacher will give the instructions. Whole group practice. If there is any mistakes from the students, that the teacher will come nearby the students. If there is any mistakes from the students, the teacher will correct them. Okay. Whole group practice. All of you legs together, hands by the side of the body. 1. Partial inhale, raise your both hands at shoulder level. 2. Full inhale, raise your both hands above the head. 3. Partial exhale, bend forward with backbone stretching. 4. Complete exhale, down your both hands. Take the both hands side of the feet. Try to touch forehead to the knees without bending the knees. At this time, the teacher will come nearby the students. If there is any mistakes, teacher will correct them. Punch, partial inhale. 6. Full inhale. 7. Partial exhale. Down the both hands at shoulder level. And 8. Complete exhale. Down the both hands, just relax in Shitila, Tadasana. Eighth step, question and answers, madam. If you have any questions, please ask me.
No questions.
No questions. Geeta, madam?
No questions.
No questions. Okay,
Sir.
good. Thank you. Namaste.
Okay, sir.
Dhanyawad.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.